Welcome back guys, and just now we are going to implement everything which we have learned so far. So we have learned about shapes and colors for now, and now we are going to implement them to make this little frog. And don't worry, it is going to be super easy. So let me zoom out first by pressing Ctrl or Command minus, and then I will move this over here. Let me press Ctrl or Command 0 to zoom in. So as you can see that I have already made this frog over here. You will see that there is a locked layer over here. So whenever a layer is locked, you cannot move things. Like if I unlock it, I will be able to move these. So let me lock it again. Basically, we are going to use all of this as a reference. And make sure that you click on this layer to work. You won't be able to work on this layer. So let's first come over here and select the ellipse tool. So first I will make a circle over here. Okay, so there is a problem over here. And the problem is that I cannot see behind it. Well, that's because its fill is white. So first I will click on it and remove the fill. Let me increase its stroke too. So I will come over here and increase the stroke. So it is more visible now. So let me put this over here. And I will increase its size to match this circle. You can also use the arrow keys on the keyboard to match it. And I guess this is alright. After that, I will go to ellipse tool again, or I can simply copy this circle. I will click on it, press Alt or Option and drag it to make a copy of it, and then simply resize it while pressing Shift. That way it will stay in proportion. So I will bring this over here. Let's zoom in a little by pressing Ctrl or Command plus. Let's put this over here. Like so. And then I will copy this using Alt or Option. After that, I will copy this and let's make it smaller and invert the stroke and the fill. By doing so, we can create this eye. Let me make this smaller, and I guess this is alright. So let's copy this over here too. Let me zoom out. So we are left with this and this part. This is basically its belly. Over here I will select the ellipse tool again, and let's make a circle over here. This time I'm not pressing Shift. That way I can make an ellipse of any shape I want. So we have to make this oval over here. Let me invert the stroke and the fill, and let's make it 4 points too. So click on it and simply resize it. We have to resize it from here too, and I guess this is alright. So we are left with this smile over here. So select the ellipse tool. Let's create this smile and simply resize it. And I guess this is alright. Let me zoom in a little. Let's bring this down and bring this up. And while we are here, let's fix this too. So I guess this is properly aligned. But this smile is not exactly the way we want it. Let me zoom out. And if I move it over here, you will see that this part is missing. So how you can make a proper smile like this? Well, it's easy. Let me press Ctrl or Command Z to bring this back basically. After that, I will come over here, click on the rectangle tool and simply create a rectangle over here like so, and simply turn its color to white. Basically, I am turning the fill to white and hit OK and remove the stroke. Let me zoom in a little, and if I move it a little, you will see that this has to be over here. So I will move it over here and over here. So basically this is acting like an invisible shape, and now we have that smile. So let me zoom out a little. So basically now we just have to color it. So I will select all of this Well, not all of this. I will select the eyes and this part and the body. Simply double click over here and let's select green. So everything is green now. I will select the belly part and let's make it yellow and hit OK. So we are done coloring our frog. And how easy was it? So basically you can make all kind of things using simple shapes in Illustrator. I hope this was fun for you guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.